Hey guys, good morning. Crypto Mentor 99. It is the last Thursday of February. Don't know the date. I'm out of town. But great news for me. Season 2 of the Dabba network is getting ready to close. Season 1 involved 1,000 hotspots / routers. Season 2, the one I got in at, it's at 10,000-ish. I think they went a little bit over, but they haven't closed it yet. And I have no idea when Season 3 starts, but take a look at my referral link below. Unashamedly, if you want to use it to buy a hotspot / router for $199 to help the 600 million, 700 million people of India get connected to Wi-Fi, and then you earn a residual income in the Dabba, in the native Dabba token. So the token launch is supposed to be soon. Again, I'm not totally up on all the details. I've been out of the country for about 10 days. But yeah, Season 2 is getting ready to end. And but there's always time to get in Season 3 if you're still doing some research on the project. Again, I encourage you, like anything else in life, like any other investment, do your own due diligence. Don't take my word for it just because I like the Dabba network and the team. But that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of my crypto family, and check out my Dabba referral link. Love y'all. Bye-bye.